Y'all gonna jump me when I say this? Y'all jump me, be honest.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashion Ceesta family. Here over on my channel, I'll show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. And today, I'm here with some good stuff. Y'all absolutely love my drugstore videos. Those seem to always go up on my channel. But we're here to talk about this makeup train case. If you guys are new here, then maybe you guys don't know that I have been a makeup artist for the last 13 years. I've been blessed to have a very unconventional career, and for the last 2 years I have, well, coming up on 2 years as of July 17th, I would have been a full-time entrepreneur for the last 2 years, with the exception of me, you know, being in school for some of that time. But I have not worked at a job since July of 2021. So I have been just making my way and discovering new products that I love. And if you guys, again, if you're not new to my channel, then you all know that I started this journey as a makeup artist with Drugstore. I ain't had no money to be like splurging on stuff, so I had to get what I could afford. And Drugstore has evolved so much to the point where there are products that I still use in my everyday glam for my clients as a luxury, yes, upper echelon, a luxury makeup artist. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I know that either you're a beauty enthusiast or maybe you're a makeup artist yourself. That's why y'all come to my channel and y'all watch me. So without further ado, I don't want to make this intro super long. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. Makeup wipes. The girls, you know, I heard some chitter chat about the one size makeup wipes, and that's fine. But Neutrogena and Little Miss Equate been doing just fine for me for years. I think the only thing that I switched, I specifically used to use the nighttime ones, and now these are just regular makeup removers. So I love to use the Equate brand if I have a client that's coming to me and they just got off work and they don't have time to go home and wash their face. I have makeup wipes for them to be able to wipe their face off and just remove any of the excess dirt and oils or makeup before we get started on our session. Also, I do a to-go bag, which if you guys want me to do a separate video on my like client take-home kit, meaning like after they leave my appointment, the stuff that I put in there, let me know and I can definitely get that filmed for you. I also have mini wipes of the Neutrogena wipes. So for my clients that maybe don't wear makeup, or hell, even if they do, every client literally leaves my space with one of those in their touch-up kits. So I love those wipes. I swear by them. They get everything done. I'm gonna tell y'all my pet peeve too, because sometimes I have friends that come stay with me and people that come over here and they be trying to take 2 and 3 of the wipes. You don't need that. Use both sides. Because one thing about Neutrogena, they're not stingy with the product. You literally, I have taken off waterproof mascara, eyeliner, full face of makeup, lip gloss, lip liner, all of that with one strip. I can't stand people that are overzealous with makeup wipes, especially when it's a good one. You know what I'm saying? I can understand, you know, you have a little makeup wipe that's drying out, but these wipes are so moist and I have been using them literally since the start of my career. The only thing that changed, like I said, is I went from the nighttime wipes to just the regular makeup remover wipes from the same brand. Next, I want to talk about this product because if you guys don't know, latex allergies, you gotta be very careful with that, especially when it comes down to your clients who don't have lash extensions and you're actually attaching lash strips to them. I don't care if you have a latex allergy or not, baby. We using some latex free glue. So this glue from Poppin' Ivy is the extra hold eyelash glue. It is amazing. It says strong hold for up to 48 hours, and to be honest, I definitely believe it. It doesn't pull my lashes out when I have to take them off, but I only have strip lashes on right now just because I've been giving my clusters a break. But when I take the lashes off, they definitely do fight for a little tug to peel off. So if you guys are looking for a really great Drugstore affordable lash glue that lasts, and I'm talking about it's better than Duo. And I was a Duo girl for years. Y'all girls that use that hair glue that you don't need to be putting on your eyes, switch that out and get you some Poppin' Ivy, because that $8.99 bottle of hair glue, this is $3.99, literally $3.99. Maybe the most somebody's seen for is probably $5, but if you catch this at like your local hair store or even Amazon, it's usually $3.99. And this, I have not switched to another glue since I found out about this brand and this glue. It's amazing. I have clients that do have latex allergies, and the lashes stay on not only all day, but they don't get the same irritation as sometimes Duo or other lash glues can cause. And the only other glue that I know that's like latex free and it's really good is from House of Lashes, and that lash glue is $20 for this same size bottle. So get you some Poppin' Ivy, or products should I say, that I want to talk about are these setting sprays. I know that there are other good setting sprays on the market, but when it comes down to not even when it comes down to Drugstore, because that Charlotte Tilbury setting spray is bomb. But I'm a Morphe girl through and through. Y'all know, like, most of my palettes, y'all know I love that Trendsetter lip liner, you know, until I dropped that 427 Beauty and it kind of got the boot. But I will always keep Trendsetter in stock, even with my own line, because it's just that girl. But the Morphe setting sprays, in particular, the Luminous setting spray is amazing, okay? My clients that have like oily combination skin, I still like to prep their skin. However, I will still spray this spray on them, because the foundations that I use, I do have a lot of different mattifying foundations in my kit, but to help it still look like skin, this Luminous setting spray, not only does it smell good, it's amazing. And then obviously, for regardless of what type of skin type the client has, or if they just want to stay like completely matte, they don't want any type of luminosity or a satin finish to it, which is what I feel like this one gives to a matte foundation, then I just use the regular continuous setting mist spray. This is the big one, so it's $23, but I feel like the small one is like maybe $16 or $17. So for the extra $7, you might as well go ahead and get the bigger one. Get you some Morphe setting spray, the Luminous and the continuous mist, they're amazing. While we're talking about skin, I have to jump into my next product that is a staple. This e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Every time I go into Ulta, gotta grab it. If I'm on Amazon and I'm getting stuff for my kit, gotta grab me one. I can never have enough of these primers. Y'all, I was a Milk Hydro Grip girl through and through. Messed around and saw that this was a dupe for it, and I tried it, and when I tell y'all, I have not bought Milk Hydro Grip in a while. Like, literally that last little corner that's hanging on in there has been there for some time, because this is all that I've been using. Like, I absolutely love this primer. It literally does not matter if my client is oily, combination, dry, normal, whatever. I use that primer on everybody, and not only does it add to my skin prep to make the skin look really, really good, it really hugs the product on the face, and like, your makeup is literally not going nowhere. So instead of spending $30 with Milk makeup, $10 with e.l.f. and to get the same wear, can't beat it with a stick. Like, I love that primer. And they also now have like a hyaluronic acid one. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure it's hyaluronic acid. It's pink. They have another one. I haven't tried that one yet, because, you know, I stick to what I know. But I did say that I was gonna give that one a try. But if y'all have not tried that Power Grip Primer yet, what is you doing? It's amazing. e.l.f. would have to discontinue it for me to stop putting that in my kit. Like, I love that primer that much. It's bomb. The next product that I want to talk about, I'm about to put y'all on game, because this to me is almost like a dupe. Not saying like it has the same formula, but it does function the same way or serves the same purpose. This NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. When I tell y'all, I was an Inglot Duraline girl. Any eyeliner, mascara, anything that dried out, I was literally mixing the Duraline in. Now, I still use Duraline for my mascara just because, you know, I stick to what I know. But any type of like brow pomade, gel eyeliner, anything that dries out, I drop this in here and it literally revives it. Also, if I have like a powdered eyeshadow that I want to turn into like a liner, or I want to make it more of like a satiny finish, or how I'm losing my words. Y'all get the point. You basically mix this product in and it brings it back to life. So it adds moisture to the product. I absolutely love this for my eyeliners because I used to be that person before I got introduced to Duraline. I would just throw it out because it's like, damn, like it's dried out, I can't use it no more. But when I started using Duraline, I was like, okay. And then I was in Ulta one day and saw this and I'm like, mixing medium. And I feel like this was probably like when it first came out and I saw like on the marketing like what it was used for, and I was like, let me try this, and I never stopped buying it. Like Duraline is definitely expensive, but I feel like that product, I want to say, might have been like $4 or $5 from NYX. It might have gone up because of inflation, but if you are someone who deal with a lot of cream products and they dry out on you, get that NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium and you good. The next product that I have to talk about, I found out about this brand in Target. And this is why it's important for brand awareness and to have a social media presence, because y'all gonna jump me when I say this? Y'all gonna jump me, be honest. I'm not a Target girl. Whew, I said it. When I was in Target getting some wine, I just happened to walk past the makeup aisle and was actually paying attention. And I see this seafoam green, whatever color this is, teal, this blue shade, not kiosk, display. And I'm like, what is that? Because I see a whole bunch of black people on it. So I'm like, oh, what's going on over there? I look, I see these foundation sticks, and I'm like, you know what? Because y'all know I was wearing this down, like, baby, fighting for the product. Do y'all see this? Fighting for it. Fighting for it. You hear me? I did Thread Beauty, looked them up on Instagram, saw they were black owned, and I was like, let me give them a shot. I just want to, you know, one, support, but see how the product works. She not only glides on beautiful and like literally gives skin, but she stays in her place. You know what I'm saying? And we love them that stay in their place. So I've been obsessed with that stick since I started using it. This is my second one that I've gotten, and I've started to add them to my kit as well. Absolutely love them. If you have, well, it should be in all Targets. So if your Target sell Thread Beauty, definitely check them out. Literally 15 out of 10. Highly recommend. Now this next product that I'm gonna talk about, it's my baby. I love Rare Beauty Blush. They are so pigmented, but you wanna know who else is pigmented? And really gives her a run for her money, because not only is she pigmented as well, she's only $6 and she comes in a lot of different shades. Miss Elf Putty Blush. I have Turks and Caicos, which is like this pink shade. I have Bali, which is like that perfect terracotta brown. It don't matter, like even my white clients can wear this. Like this shade is just so universal. Clearly I'm about to hit pan on this one, but Bali just looks so good on everybody, like literally everybody. I love this shade. And then I have Maldives. Now I think that Maldives may be like exclusive to just like online or Amazon, because that's where I got this from. I saw it on the Ulta website, but I didn't see it in the store. And I saw it on Amazon when I was doing my kit restock, so I grabbed it. And when I tell y'all this is the chef's kiss, Bali is really nice on everybody, but if you are my shade or deeper and you want like blush, yeah, let's get into it. Not that pimple, but you know, I'm human, I don't give a damn. Like look at how just rich and just burnt orange and just like, it just gives me everything that I need. So if y'all haven't tried them putty blushes and you spending your money on Rare Beauty, you still need a Rare Beauty, but give e.l.f. a shot too. Like those products, that product will never leave my kit. It is A1. Now this last thing I'm gonna show y'all, I'm really about to put y'all on game for real. So I'm just thinking, like, if you made it this far, you need to just go ahead before I even show you this product and thumbs up the video, because I'm about to like save you some money. A little hype on TikTok lately, and I'm glad that the girls have now caught on to it, because being a makeup artist is expensive. And if you're watching this as a consumer and someone who does not understand why makeup prices are now starting at $100, one, not only is foundation like $50, concealer maybe $10 less than that, then you still gotta buy eyeshadow. Like, we spend so much money investing in our kit, you gotta buy it yourself. So any way you can cut corners and save money, you gotta do that. I wish that this product was available when even at drugstore shit add up too. Now hold on, drugstore stuff do add up too, but I wish that when I was starting out and I was buying all of these foundations from the drugstore, that this product was around, because it has saved me so much money. I mean, for the most part, I do have everybody's shade, but these LA Girl foundation mixing pigments, best thing smoking. Concealer or foundation don't work for a client, I will go grab one of these so fast and adjust it till it gets to their complexion. This is probably the 4th blue one that I've gotten, because I have so many clients that have neutral undertones, and a lot of foundations really pull either like really cool or really warm. So to help neutralize it, I love to use this blue mixing pigment. That is one of my favorite products ever from the drugstore. It's never leaving my kit. I don't care who makes another one, because I feel like at this point the only thing they can do is improve the formula, and the formula is already amazing. It does not change the texture or the way that any of my foundations lay on me. You guys saw me use this in the HD Skin video from Makeup Forever. If you guys haven't seen it, I will put it down below in the description box, and I'll also just use it showing you guys my updated routine. I have a very neutral tone, so a lot of foundations run either really orange on me, and this product is how I correct it using that blue mixing pigment. So y'all need to run, not walk, to your nearest drugstore location, specifically like in Ulta or places that sell like LA Girls, and get you one, because bomb. Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys found some new items from the drugstore to add to your kit. Whether you're a makeup artist, makeup enthusiast, or you're just getting into wearing makeup yourself, I hope that you guys found some of those products useful. And let me know what you guys decide to try down below in the comment section. Come back and comment again. I love talking to you guys in the comments. When I see the notifications come through on my iPad or on my phone, I like to take my time out to respond to you guys immediately. I know as the community grows, it'll probably change how quickly I'm able to interact with you all, but right now, while we're such a tight-knit family, I love being able to respond to you guys as soon as you guys ask me a question or comment on the video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you all for all of the support, and that's it. Thank you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to shop for 27 Beauty, link in the bio. Not in the bio, in the description. Look at me thinking I'm on Instagram. Bye, y'all.